Garry was a man loved by many, and his music was enjoyed by fans of all ages. As the nation is mourning, here is what Zimbabweans had to say.
I'm really sorry from the family of Mapanzure. Mapanzure was a good artist, and I don't know what to say.
He was a talented artist, and I would like to honor him singing his song Pindira Mwari. Pindira Mwari, kana muchinzwa Mwari, kana muri Mwari wezviratidzo wezvinoshamisa tachema. Rest in peace, Garry Mapanzure.
Charasikirwa the giant man, the great musician in Zimbabwe. Zvinorwadza, and I can feel with family asarwa nayo varasikirwa na baba, even na sekuru or vakasiyana, but zvinongorwadzawo kuti charasikirwa nemunhu aimba muZimbabwe. Zvinongorwadzawo. Yeah.
Okay, and what's your condolence messages? What will you remember Garry with his hit songs? Maybe you've gone to his show and you were such a fan. What will you remember Garry with? Some not Garry ndiye uya wekuti song hit song nyaya kan patakamenda ku concert yake okuto kwake. This is what happened. What's your message out there?
Inini favorite song yake ndiyekuti ndiyanifuna. But then my messages ake ese ake angane message mkomana shukta charasikirwa, especially nezvaitika tobva tarelata nesong yake recent yaakaimba. Zvinorwadza, zvikurwadza singaite. Tangoramba tichingoteererawo mamusic ake, but we are in pain.
He was one of the biggest. That's what I can say. And I want to say to his family, I'm sorry about Garry Mapanzure, I'm sorry about your loss, and I'm sorry to every young artist across the world who lost Garry Mapanzure. Yeah, he was one of the biggest in Zimbabwe, especially in Zimbabwe.
It's a very sad moment, if I can say. Garry was a young boy who was very, I'm looking for the right word to use. He was so professional in whatsoever way. Garry was a good person. Garry was a friend to everyone. He was a brother, a friend. He didn't take himself as an artist, but he was a friend to people, to his fans.
I loved the creativity in his music. It was something dope. Like he had the mindset of something from outer space. If you get on saying, he was a bad artist, he was the best artist of all times, and I loved him so much. Even my sister, she loved him so much. He's a great artist. May his soul rest in peace.
So my last words for everyone, to Zimbabwe fans of Garry, I would like to say let's be safe on the roads. Let's travel safe. We are now in the festive season, so we really need to be very extra cautious and know that we in the season of accidents and everything. So we really need to be safe when we're driving, and let's not drink and drive when we're driving.